In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Slack huddle. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture both your screen and your audio, so you can save important conversations, share demos, or keep a record of decisions made during your calls. We're going to use the built-in screen recording feature that opens when you press the print screen key on your keyboard. On many keyboards, this is labeled Partie SC, Partie SCN, or something very similar. Before you start your huddle, make sure Slack is open and the huddle window is visible, so you can quickly select it when you begin recording. Once you're ready to record, press the print screen key. This should open the snipping tool overlay at the top of your screen. Instead of taking a screenshot, we're going to switch it into video mode. Look for the camera or video icon in the toolbar and click it. This tells Windows that you want to record your screen, not just capture a still image. Next, you'll choose exactly what part of the screen you want to record. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around your Slack Huddle window. If you prefer to record everything you see, you can simply drag over your entire screen. Take a moment to get this right, because whatever is inside that rectangle is what will appear in your final recording. Before you hit record, it's important to set up your audio. At the top of the recording bar, click the microphone icon to unmute it if you want your voice to be included. Then, make sure system sound is turned on as well. This allows the recording to capture other participants' voices and any sounds coming from Slack. If system sound is disabled, you'll only hear your microphone and the rest of the huddle will be silent in the recording. When your area and audio are all set, click Start. You'll see a short 3-second countdown, which gives you time to switch focus back to your huddle and get ready to speak. From this point, everything inside the selected area, along with the enabled audio sources, will be recorded. When your huddle is finished, or you've captured what you need, click the red square button to stop the recording. A preview window will appear so you can quickly review what you just recorded. If you're happy with it, click the Save icon, which looks like a small floppy disk. Choose where you want to store the file, or simply leave it in the default location, usually inside your Videos folder under Screen Recordings. You can now share, upload, or reference this recording whenever you need it.